Hey guys, it's Mrs. LeMay, and guess what? You passed the very last skill. So this one is kind of a special dance party. Okay, so instead of a dancing figure, I got you a trophy and some confetti. I hope you like it. Just the same as all the others. Don't go crazy. Don't drive your teachers crazy. Be safe. Keep those around you safe. But celebrate a little bit of your success, okay? Because you're pretty amazing. All right, here we go. Ready? You radiate through the screen, 'cause you passed skill 15. You radiate through the screen, 'cause you passed skill 15. You radiate through the screen, 'cause you passed skill 15. You radiate through the screen, 'cause you passed skill 15. All right, guys, you are amazing. I'm so proud of you. I'm so glad I was able to take this journey with you, to go through these videos with you. Don't forget to use them when you're in your classes. Have a super fantastic day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.